I think the reopening is here to showcase that Goethe is back, and Goethe is an open space for everybody to come, for everybody to engage with. It's a space where you can gather, where you can connect to people, find like-minded individuals who are also passionate about art and creation. And that's what we are about, and we are here to stay and to be an open space also in the next decades to come.
I am happy to see that our own students here at the Institute are able to partake in this activity, and that even the Goethe Institute is trying to encourage the young youth to work hard and motivate them to join careers, that this is spearheading them to know what line they want to do in life. So for me, I enjoy that the Goethe Institute took time to let our students be part of this, and they've enjoyed, and some of them now even have interest to work in the German sector.
Hi, my name is Lily Kobler. I'm the director of the Goethe Institute, the German Cultural Center, and we're really having huge celebrations here today. We've been renovating and refurbishing and trying to create more accessible and welcoming spaces for our visitors, our partners, and the creatives of Kenya. So we're really happy that we're done with this and we're able to open our spaces again. So I'm most of all excited. It's like a dream come true, because you see building and construction and you can't really imagine what it will be like when it's alive. But now it's alive.
I'm really delighted and honored to be here tonight for the reopening of Goethe Institute after almost 2 years of renovation and refurbishment. It's more than a facelift, it's a whole makeover to last for the next 60 years.
My name is Josephine Ochieng. I work here at Goethe Institute under the school sector. I am the project assistant for PASH project and Bildung Kooperation Deutschland, that is BKD. So in this reopening, we were able to invite schools from Nairobi, and also we had Naivasha girls coming in, and we had a lot of activities for the students. Like, they also took part in different activities and they were able to win various prizes.
The global project is in 6 different countries, 3 in the Middle East and 3 in Africa. Here in Kenya, we focus on capacity building programs and also giving the platforms for creatives and artists to showcase their artworks. The objective of the project is to increase income and employment possibilities for creatives and artists.
My name is Keith Ubanga from Starehe Boys Center. I'm in Form 4 and I'm 17 years old. So my experience in Goethe Institute has been quite eventful. We were able to do various activities such as spin the wheel, where we get to answer questions relating to Germany. My favorite one was the scavenger hunt. We were able to do a scavenger hunt using an app called Culture, where we will go around the city looking for checkpoints as we get to know more about Kenyan history and more about the city itself.
I've just come from conducting a really fun DJ workshop with young ladies from Alliance Girls, and I feel like they've really inspired me. They've thrown me back, first of all, to when I was younger and in high school. I wish I knew that there was options for careers like these when I was in high school a few years back. And I feel like the impact of this workshop is not only exposing them to other career paths, but also empowering them to know exactly what it entails to be a DJ, not just playing the music and having fun, but setting up your gear, troubleshooting, sound, if there's something wrong with your wiring, just empowering girls and young ladies to know that they don't have to wait for somebody to check their technical gear for them, they can do it themselves.
I mostly create content for children, so illustrated books, 2D animations, games. Apart from that, I've been a lecturer at ADMI for the past 3 years. I've been teaching illustration in animation, so everything that goes on before the actual animation production, including character design, that's what I do. So back in 2021, I partnered with Black Rhino and Goethe Institute, and I was given training in VR. So I was part of the State of the Art 2.0, Usoni. I was one of the 5 artists. And I created different cartoony looking scenes that represent the style that I'm after. So for the past 2 days this weekend, I was lecturing and giving a workshop to everyone about virtual reality.
The Cultural Programs Department is here as a space to support creatives. We welcome all kinds of creatives, especially young and mid-career creatives, to explore new practices, new approaches to art making, to engage with different art forms. We support specifically some larger projects in key areas. For example, the Dance Life Fest that's coming up this year again, focused on contemporary dance. We have an exhibition series that supports artists in making ambitious conceptual artworks and exhibiting them here at Goethe Institut. And also, you know, we obviously build international connections, especially to Germany, to find international partners for connecting the Kenyan art scene to the world.
Supporting creatives, man, like from the very first day I walked into the Goethe Institute, actually, this Goethe Institute, I've always got a yes. Even if it was a no, but it waited and waited and then it turned into a yes. So I just want to appreciate them for supporting the art, supporting the artists.
Nairobi City, how you doing? No jokes.
History yangu na Goethe Joy na go way back. Kabado naishi Kibich, way back yani. I think my first international flight ilikuwa Berlin. Through an exchange program ilikuwa inaitwa Spoken Worlds. Nili make friendships zenye na work nazo mpaka saa hii through Goethe. From Waseka Viva Konagwa, producer wangu anatoka Berlin, amehostiwa hapa before, na tunawak naye mpaka saa hii. So Goethe was like an eye opener for that international market, not only as a performer but as a sound. Unaniomba na anything ikihappen hapa lazima ni pull up because na feeling kama narudi home.
We hope that these spaces will be an inspiration to artists, to students. We have expanded our terrace. Actually, the terrace was not in existence at all. So we are glad that that has been put in place and our spaces are a bit larger, and we hope that these spaces offer inspiration where artists can come here, bounce their ideas around each other so they can learn and grow.